So my husband is doing my belly cast. I should have put a sports bra on like that girl did. And right now he's just lubricating the stomach. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I'm gonna take a shower. So I am 36 weeks. We are 36 weeks. So we're just belly casting right now. And all the stuff. He got his glove on like he's about to do a tattoo. I got the shorts. I don't care if the shorts get messed up. It's just the you doing it? Do the stomach first before you start casting, and then you'll have to do the breast area. Tay, can you bring me a thing? Well, I was just yeah, because I was just putting this on hand so we do the belly part, and then I can take the bra off later. I just didn't want you to put too close on my yes, a towel, please. Yes. So you gotta dip them in water, but you gotta turn it to you or show the people what you're doing. So you got the script, so we had to cut the script, so you gotta dip it in the water. And be nice and saturated. We could get a towel. Can I get a towel, Jabari? 2 towels.
Sorry, what name is here?
That's fine. He's actually eating, so that's fine. Big for the baby. Oh, let me get another one. Just another one. Hey, wait, hold on, no, sit right here, sit right here. You want me to drop this one on the floor? And you just want me to just look, see? And brush my leg. I know you don't want on the floor. So we just casting away. And like I said, we are 36. Alright, that's the weeks now. Is this your no. I hope I got enough paper because I'm going out too fast. Now I see why they say you gotta wait till it dries because so this is not the first time I'm doing a belly cast, so I'm about to see exactly how this is going to turn out. I know. And you see my stomach is big. Okay, so we're gonna try to get ahead. We're gonna hold it this for a second. So we try to show. So we pretty much got the belly done. So we pretty much got the belly done. And my husband is doing a great job. I get on his nerves, but he's still doing it for me. So we're gonna go on to the breast in a little bit. And I don't want y'all looking at my breasts or whatever, so yeah. We're gonna make sure we turn the camera around. And this is really messy. So we're just gonna pretty much so we pretty much got the belly done. So we pretty much got the belly done. It's not that hard. So now we gotta do the breast area. So we're gonna actually put some pause. Brooklyn. Yeah, I'll pause it. Okay, so I have my daughter doing the recording for me. So we've already done the breast. We're doing the breast now. Just look. Just walk on this side right here, baby. You're doing too much. Don't go nowhere. Just cross over. Go ahead and go. Thank you. Appreciate you. She got it down to me. That's why it's making it heavy. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it to where y'all can see. Okay. So this is what we got so far. And we made it. It comes with 5 rolls. This is the box. It's called a belly casting kit. This is my husband's first time doing it. And he's doing a great job. Because I don't know if I would have been able to do it. No, the thing about it is we just have to fan it down, but it's way better than what's this one here? No, but I like how you did the breast part too, which is perfect. Okay, just do a strip over here. So this is our first time doing a belly cast. For our... Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. And I am sleepy. He is tired and sleepy.
Dior, don't be laughing at me when you see this.
Yeah. No. It's gonna come out way better than her today. What was it? Fingerprints, footprints, what we do in her daggone butt.
She grabbed her fingerprints.
Yeah, she grabbed it and then it had a fist in it. So we only got like maybe 2 more pieces left. And we're trying to make sure those are straight because if you mess up a piece, you lose a piece. Now I hope my titties don't look lopsided on it. Can y'all see? Yes. Alright, one more. We only have one more piece. Yep. So we are all done. So all we gotta do now is just wait for it to dry. And I think my husband is gonna, oh, we got one more piece. I think my husband gonna, you gonna use a blow dryer, babe? Yeah, this brand new blow dryer. Yeah. Daddy gonna have to use it. And the blow dryer just helps speed up the process. We actually been looking at YouTube videos to see exactly how to do it. You gotta plug it up to that. And we have to take that comb part off of it.
Like this? I take it off for you. Mom, this thing is greasy.
It's alright, because I had oil in my hair.
Mom. blow
It ain't
dry
that
it?
hard. There's no more.
Can I just blow dry it?
You think if we re-wet it,
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
it's soften up.
Can I just
It didn't
blow
soften
dry
up.
it?
It's alright, because remember you're going to paint it, so you don't have to worry about that, really, the
Yeah, but
imperfections.
I don't wanna.
Yeah, because the sandpaper is going to,
Like if
you can't take it off. I'm going to have to bring it over here so I can take it off. Just bring it right here. Hold it, and I'll just twist it. See, now that's going to look real sloppy and tacky. Yeah, don't add it. Yeah, it's okay. Don't add it. It's fine.
No.
Because if you add it, it's going to look tacky.
It's not come off.
It's okay. Just bring it close, but I need you to hold it. Bring it close so I can twist that part
I
off.
got it.
Thank you so much.
Hey, bro.
Every time you should beach.
So this is what it looked like. The belly cast.
Mom, why can't
Can you do me a favor? Can you dump that water out for me, big girl?
And that other little piece, don't let that go in the sink. Thank you so much. So now we about to blow dry it. I'll put it down. Regardless, when they put theirs in the oven, just put it inside the sink, Vital. And the sink is fine. What happened? Alright, you will blow dry in a little bit. Yeah. So good. So my daughter and my husband is blow drying it for me. Daddy go down here so Daddy have to put some pieces in. I could tell where it's wet because it feels cold, but where it's already warmed up, it feels hot. I mean, it's really hot. Good job. High five.
Can you go give me the vacuum cleaner from out the room?
Thank you so much, babe. So I guess you can have that. You can even Hobby Lobby has sandpaper, or they have that kind of stuff too.
I don't really need it.
No, but that's what I'm saying. If you color it, it's gonna be fine. You always want everything perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. It's fine. It's the first time you did a good job. Way better than what I would have did because I wouldn't even know how to even do it. So that's what I'm saying. The paint part could be later done. I just want to do it before we go in the hospital. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we're going to 40 weeks. If we're going to 40 weeks, I want to make a bill. But the way how she's causing me all this pain right now, we might be going to the hospital at night. And she moving too. It's like really cold over here.